Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a new art channel page with the Arteza gouache paints and some of my stamps. I really enjoy working with these paints in my journal because they are similar to acrylic paints, or even if you add water they act like liquid acrylic paints, but finally they are not waterproof, so you have different options to work with them. I like to use them for backgrounds when I'm sure that I not want to go on top with other wet mediums. I start by just playing around with the colors that I've picked before. I try to go with some complementary colors, so I'm using a yellow ochre, a rose red and the Prussian blue. I'm working on a gessoed surface. To add some random texture and grunginess, I'm using a watercolor pencil. This one is also from Arteza, and I just scribble into the wet gouache paint. That will make marks into the wet paint, and it will also add a new color. I'm using the indigo blue, I believe. I will use the black watercolor pencil too, and to get a darker line I dip the nib of the black watercolor pencil into water. I'm holding the pencil very loose to get really random marks. Now I'm going in with the Prussian blue gouache paint, and this will mix kind of a olive green with the yellow ochre, and I really like these complementary colors in the end. When you work with high contrasts and also complementary colors, your artwork will look really interesting. I also add some more scribble marks with a yellow ochre watercolor pencil. Now it's time to add some stamping. I'm using one of the circles from our round and circle stamp set. And I will use other stamps from our grungy stuff and grungy border stamp sets too. My main image is the Postoid phone home girl from our store, and I've just colored it in with some watercolors. I'm adding some black splatters to increase the interest, and I'm using the vintage script stamp to create more texture. I've cut a little tab from some leftover paper and add a little bit of stamping to make it more grungy and interesting, and I add my title to this tab. I'm adding some more color accents with the Neocolor crayons. I'm adding a little bit of green, and I will also add a little bit of violet. Here is my finished page. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you next time. Bye!